Speed up your reading with tech, apps and websites for English fluency. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to explore an exciting area of our English language learning journey. We will delve into how to incorporate technology to improve our reading speed and fluency. Our main focus is on using reading apps and websites. So, get ready to take your reading skills to the next level. The question that may pop up in your mind is, why should we use apps and websites for reading? Well, the answer is simple. These platforms offer an interactive and engaging way of improving your reading skills. They can provide you with instant feedback, progress tracking, a vast variety of texts, and even tailor-made exercises based on your reading level. These features can greatly aid in speeding up your reading and enhancing your fluency. There are various types of apps and websites you can utilize. They range from vocabulary-building apps, e-book readers, to graded reading websites. Vocabulary-building apps help you learn new words and understand their context in sentences, crucial for fluent reading. E-book readers offer you the convenience of having thousands of books at your fingertips. They often come with features like word translation and text-to-speech, which can be beneficial for English learners. Graded reading websites have texts that are categorized based on the difficulty level. They are designed to match your current reading level and gradually introduce you to more complex texts. The key to leveraging these tools effectively is regular practice. Try to dedicate a specific time of your day to read using these apps or websites. Make sure to challenge yourself with increasingly difficult texts. But remember, it's also important to enjoy the process. Choose topics that interest you to keep the reading fun and engaging. To get the most out of these resources, follow these tips. 1. Set achievable goals. Whether it's reading a certain number of pages a day or learning a fixed number of new words per week, setting goals can motivate you and measure your progress. 2. Make use of in-app features. Features like highlighting, note-making, and text-to-speech can enhance your reading experience and aid in better comprehension. 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key in language learning. Regular reading practice can significantly improve your speed and fluency over time. That's it for today's session, folks. I hope you're excited to dive into these reading apps and websites and enrich your English learning journey. Remember, technology is a tool, a powerful one indeed, that, if used effectively, can bring significant improvements to your reading speed and fluency. Happy reading, and until next time, keep learning.